To guarantee to get nice and crispy mushrooms, I'm going to show you the best way to fry them. So I've added some vegetable oil on my pan, and I'm going to make sure I don't overcrowd my pan. So you need to make sure that you have only one layer. And then once they set, do not touch them and let them fry for about 5 minutes. Okay, my mushrooms are smelling lovely. I'm going to give them a nice stir. And as you can see, because I didn't move them and toss them around, they've gotten a really nice crispy side. So now it's all about stirring them and cooking them for a couple of more minutes. So now my mushrooms are beautiful golden brown. You can leave them just salted like this, but I have also crushed a little bit of garlic, and I'm going to add in some butter. And this is going to be my simple seasoning for these fried mushrooms. Lovely. And that's it. To get the most out of your mushrooms, I've got another great tip for you just here.